Hello, students. Hi, my name is Srikanth Singh Beta. I am the biology educator in front of you. I'm going to represent the excretory system. Hope you are familiar about the excretory system better. From class 8 onwards only. What is the excretory system? Excretory systems, just like when we preparing the food in home, what the left waste material has left, we have to throw it into the garbage. But while we are throwing the waste material into the garbage to maintain the healthy conditions inside the home, same as it is, every organism after metabolism of nutrients like carbohydrate, protein, nucleic acids, amino acids, what the toxic chemical compound they are forming to the body, they have to excrete out from the organism body to maintain the healthy conditions. So finally, it is a very important system to maintain the healthy conditions. So finally, now let's start. First of all, I like to introduce two terminology before starting the chapters. Let's start about the terminology. Just two terminology is nephrology. Nephrology. It is the first terminology of excretory system. It means study of study of study of kidney, study of kidney anatomy, study of kidney anatomy, study of kidney anatomy, physiology, physiology, study of kidney anatomy, physiology, study of kidney anatomy, physiology is called nephrology. Another terminology is urology. So, urology. What is urology? Study of study of urinary system, study of urinary system, study of urinary system, study of urinary system of male and female, of male and female and female as well as well as male reproductive system, male reproductive system, male reproductive system. If we talk about the female reproductive system, there is another branch is gynecology. So this way we have completed the two terminology. Now we are going to define the excretory system. In this page, we are going to introduce about the excretory system. It is the it is the system. It is the system. It is a system in which which after metabolism, in which after metabolism, in which after metabolism of nutrients, after metabolism of nutrient and convert into nitrogen waste, convert into nitrogenous waste material, nitrogen waste material, nitrogen waste, convert into nitrogen waste material has to throw out outside the organism body, outside the organism body, outside the organism body to maintain healthy condition, maintain healthy conditions. So this way we have studied two terminologies and defined we have done. Now we have to know about the part of the excretory system. Third point is part of the excretory system. Parts of the excretory system. Pair of pair of kidney. Second part, pair of quitter, which is going to be conduct the filtrate urine, pair of ureter. Third, one urinary bladder, urinary bladder, and finally, fourth, urethra, urethra. So, according to now, question is arising that after metabolism of nitrogen waste, which chemical compound is going to be formed? If we talk, there is a three chemical compound. There are three, three. There are three chemical compound. Are as follow. Are as follow. First is ammonia, highly toxic ammonia, highly toxic, highly toxic. Mostly aquatic animal, aquatic animal directly, directly has to be really excrete out, excrete out from the body, from the body. It require it require it require excess amount of water, excess amount of water, amount of water. Now, second is uric acid. It's called excess amount of water. It's called aminotallic. Monoteric. Monoteric. The organism which excrete ammonia is called aminotallic. Uric acid, uric acid, mostly apes, mostly apes, mostly apes, birds, reptile, reptile, due to the due to the scarcity of water, 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 they excrete, excrete uric acid, uric acid. It is called uricotelic. The organism uricotelic. The organism which excrete uric acid is called uricotelic. Is it okay, students? The next part is third one is urea. Finally, human beings and mammals has to be excrete urea from their body. Urea. Mostly humans, mammals excrete, excrete urea. I like to inform you that birds and reptiles also forming the ammonia, but they directly cannot be excrete the ammonia because for excretion of ammonia, it's required excess amount of water. Due to the scarcity of water, they convert the ammonia into the uric acid, then they excrete out outside the body. Same it is in our body, human being, mammals, forming the ammonia, but that ammonia goes to the liver, and that inside the liver there is a urea cycle is running. Urea cycle is running. In this cycle, ammonia is going to be converted into the urea. And finally, now the nitrogen waste material has ready to excrete out through the urinations. Through the urinations. Hope you understand urea. Mostly humans excrete urea. Urea is called uricotonic. Ureotonic is called is called ureotelic. Ureotelic. Now, come to the next point. So we have what we has to be introduced in the kidney. There is a in the kidney, in the kidney, in the kidney, 1 million nephron, 1 million nephron is present. 1 million nephron. That nephron is the unit of kidney which filter and convert the oxygenated blood into the urine. In the kidney, 1 million nephron means 10 lakh. Means 10 lakh, 1 million nephron is present. Is present. So, note, NOPE, note. As we know that in the excretory system, we have studied that from left ventricle, from left ventricles, in one heartbeat, so listen, from heart, it is the human heart, human heart. So one heartbeat, one heartbeat, 70 ml blood, blood pump. You already studied about that in 1 minute. In 1 minute, in 1 minute, 72 times heartbeat. 72 times heartbeat. Two times heartbeat. Heartbeat. So it means how many volume of the blood the in 1 minute heart has to be pumped out. 1 minute 70 into 72 equal to 5040 in 5 milliliter. But in approximately, you can say that approximately 5 liter. So through the systematic aorta, through systematic systematic aorta, the oxygenated blood is goes to the go to the kidney. And I like to tell you better that at 1200, 1200, only 12 from 5 liter, 1200 ml blood is oxygenated blood goes into the kidney. It shows kidney. So from 1200 ml, blood goes to the system, oxygenated blood. And so this way, completed. Generally, I have introduced about the excretory system. Come to the next page. Next is structure of excretory system. So this way, it is the kidney. Pair of kidney we have. Pair of the kidney we have. See, a group from here. It is called hilum, through which ureter is excreted. Through hilum, ureter is going to be excreted out, and it is the urinary bladder. Now, it is the male urethra. Now we go to the labeling. Kidney. It is ureter beta. What is this? Yes, ureter. And it is the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. Inside the, and it is the hilum. Hilum. Where ureter is coming out. The right kidney should be slightly toward the down as comparison to left kidney. Urethra. It is urethra. And finally, it is urethra meters. Urethra meters. In the female, this urethra is very smaller in size as comparison to male. This way, the stretcher systems we have completed. Diagram now comes to the nephron. Come to the nephron structure, beta. First, we take the not red. Yeah, it's look good. Good. Perfect. This is the form structure. Now we are going to living. Living should be done by this color. This is woman's capsule. It is PCT, proximal convoluted tubule, convoluted tubule. It is the interesting part that in their specificity, 70 to 80% electrolytes and minerals are reabsorbed. Don't forget. How to remember? Basically, P for pass, proximal convoluted tubules. And it is the loop of LA is going to see renal tubules is going to be divided into two parts, descending loop of LA and ascending loop of LA. So that's why we can write here it is descending loop of LA, loop of LA. Next one is it is ascending loop of LA, ascending loop of LA. In short form, is writing students, and it is the DCT. DCT form stand distal convoluted tubule. Distal convoluted tubule. Distal convoluted tubules. Often, and it is the ductal Bellani. Ductal Bellani. Ductal Bellani. Now I have to take the red color because oxygen blood is going to be coming into the nephron. It is coming from renal artery. If any from through aorta, it is called afferent afferent atrial. So here is the glomerulus, glomerulus. There is a capillary action is there, where the blood is going to be. See, diameter of the afferent atrial should be broad as compared to efferent atrial. As compared to efferent atrial should be lesser and should be broad more. And this is the glomerulus, glomerulus, glomerulus. So, glomerulus, a bunch of capillary, a bunch of capillary. So, now, see, listen to the story. When the blood has come, we know that blood's having RBC, WC, BC platelets, but not all the component is going to be filtered from glomerulus. So, because here having the squamous epithelial tissue, having the squamous epithelial tissue, having the squamous epithelial tissue. So RBC not filter from WBC. Now platelets, platelets. Now plasma. Oh yes. So with plasma, which one? With plasma, with plasma contain blood protein is globulin, globulin, plasma globulin, blood protein, blood protein, blood protein should be excrete out as well as water. Yep. Yes. Blood protein. Yes. Yes. Waters, ions, electrolytes, electrolytes, electrolytes. Yes. Urea. Yes. Rest of the only RBC because RBC, WBC, and platelets has very bigger inside as compared to pore. Because in the glomerulus there is a podocyte. Filter is there. Podocyte. Podocytes. Podocyte is there present. Is very minute. So for RBC, WBC, it is not suitable to filter it. So that's why they can't filters. You can't filter. So always remember that. Mhm. So always remember that. Look, glomerulus, bunch of capillary, bunch of capillary, bunch of capillary, filtration of filtration of blood component, filtration of blood component. And then second part is Bowman capsules. Bowman's capsule capsules having squamous epithelial tissue have squamous squamous epithelial tissue. Squamous epithelial epithelial tissue. Squamous epithelial tissue. Podocyte cells is present. Podocyte cell is present for filter. Cell is present for ultrafiltration. Is present for ultrafiltration. For ultrafiltration. Podocyte is for ultrafiltration. Now third point is PCT. What is the point we have to study in PCT? Reabsorb, reabsorb electrolytes, electro, reabsorb electrolytes, reabsorb electrolyte, reabsorb electrolytes, reabsorb electrolytes, 70 to 80%, 70 to 80% minerals reabsorb 65%, 65% water should has to be reserved. Water reabsorb, reabsorb. Water is reabsorbed. Now density, but loop open le, loop open le, loop open le, 20% water absorb at least density, third, fourth, density, distal cognitive tubules, sodium, potassium, hydrogen 9, secrete, secrete, density, till Dr. Beline, Dr. Belani, we can say, we can say urine, we can say urine, we can say urine. Another calculations. So beta from see from Bowman capsule, from Bowman capsules, from Bowman capsules, Bowman's capsule, Bowman's capsules should filtrate, filtrate, filtrate in 1 minute, in 1 minute, in 1 minute, 125 ml, 125 ml. If you want to calculate in 1 day how many filtered has to be filtered, 125 per minute, then 125 has to be multiplied into 60. It's converted into minute. Now hours and then 24 hour in 1 day, 24 days. Then it will be 180 ml. So this way, this much amount we have filtered has to be filtered. At the last, only 1.5 liter a day we urinate. 1.5 liter, assuming. Is it okay? Finally, so this way, I have make you understand about the security systems. So first page, I have given you introductions about the what is the security systems, and then I have defined the system parts, systems, then ammonia, aerosol, then go for the structure, the security system. Structure of the security system. Pathway of urine. Pathway of urine, I can make it in the nephron. The last we can Mm, just wait. Mm, cool, fine. Mm, pathway of urine, path of urine. First, from systematic aorta, from systematic aorta, bloods reach to the glomerulus, glomerulus, then Bowman capsules, Bowman's capsules. Now after that, visit glomerulus, Bowman's capsules. So path of the urine. But before the glomerulus, Bowman's capsules, there is the not glomerulus capsules has to go for the TCT and then let's go for the lobe and then goes to TCT, distance coordinate tubule, and finally the duct of Bellani, the duct of collecting duct, DCT, then collecting duct. So this way we have make it the urine. So in a day, a human being 1.5 liters has urinated. Thank you so much, friends. So giving your times. So this way, as the system has completed. If any query, just like and subscribe to my channels and comment. Thank you so much.